Hello, it's Donna Korchinski, and I am here in Calgary at what is called the Field of Crosses. There are more than 3,500 crosses here, just overlooking, right in the middle of Calgary, on Memorial Drive. These crosses, each cross represents a person from southern Alberta who died fighting in Canadian wars or peacekeeping. It could have been World War I, World War II, the Korean War, or in Afghanistan, or even on peacekeeping duties in various places around the world. Every year, volunteers and veterans erect these crosses prior to November 11th, Remembrance Day. And there are services here every day at sunrise and sunset. Each one of these crosses represents a story. This one particular story is about Joseph Flanagan. He's 25 years old. He died August 19th, 1942. And here on this cross is a letter that he wrote to his mother, and I will read you that letter. He wrote it on August 18th, the day before he died. He says, "Dear Mother, hello Mother and all the family. I do hope you are all well. I have been away from England and back only a short time. I just received a week or so ago your airmail letter. Now I am sailing to France to meet the Germans. In case I don't return, I wish to say goodbye to all and hope they all live to see Hitler and his evil stamped out. I will say goodbye, Mother, and really do hope that our Lord, our good Lord, will bless and protect you all till we meet in the end. Kindly remember me in your prayers." So goodbye, Mother. Noreen, Chris, Tom, John, Mike, Margaret, Francis, Edward, Patrick, little Thomas, Michael, and Marie. Do keep your chins up and keep smiling. A smile goes a long way. Your loving son, Joe. And that was his last letter to his mother. And you remember, he died. He died for freedom. He was fighting for freedom. And they believed in it. I guess the least we can do is remember them this Remembrance Day.